everybody, how's it going? I've been wanting to make this video for a little while because I've had a couple of you ask with my train pictures, how do I add the watermark? So I got an Apple device, so it might be different for Android or Google phones, whatever. So I thought I'd at least show you guys how we do it, or how I do it. So I got a picture here, no watermark added. Actually, I got a couple of them. This was from, I'm filming this February 15th, and this was from yesterday. So from Valentine's Day in the afternoon. So what I'll do is I will go, man, I wish the focus was better. Go down there, tap that, and then you go and hit this little button here to mark up. So you can draw on the picture if you want, but that's not what I do. I go and I hit this little plus, add text, go and hit the A's there. I'm gonna, there, that works, I think. So you go and hit those, and then I go and I hit this, change the color to white, or whatever the picture is, because there's some, if there's like a really white sky, then I might make it like yellow or red or black. And then go hit the number, I hit 14, go up one more to 15, change the text to that, tap the text, and then I would just type REALRAILFAN. Whoa. Okay, I forgot. Yeah, you'd have to do backspace on the text. I forgot about that. Then hit that. And then I tap this. And then depending on the picture, I'll decide what corner I want to put it into. And for this one, I'm going to do that. So I always like to zoom in because I want to make sure that it won't go like outside of the picture. So I just leave a little bit of a gap, kind of like that. So that way I know it's not going to go outside the picture. So I tap that, go up here, tap done, and then hit done. And there you have it. You got the picture. Nothing changes on the picture, but then exposure is really bad. You have your watermark. That's how I do it on Apple. This is on my iPad. It's the exact same on the iPhone, because I have had to do it on my phone a couple times too. So hopefully that helps you guys. For those of you who have Apple devices, if you have an Android device, sorry, I don't know how that would work out. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and from what I hear, you people really enjoy these pictures. You say you like them, you like the watermark, so some of you have asked, hey, how do you do the watermark? And you guys like the pictures a lot, so that's why I put the watermark on there. Anyway, hope that is informative. Catch you all in the next video. Have a good one. God bless. And happy rail fanning.